Morning, guys. Check this out. I can see the dirt, the soil underneath all the snow. Just a few more days and it's gonna finally be nice out here. Not quite ready for moving outdoors quite yet. I'm gonna go get some to eat, I think. Yeah. I gotta get back to brushing twice a day. I rolled oats with sugar and tea. And now back out all the way over to my room. I went to the common part of this commune to make some simple food. I got some soy sauce for this too. That's what the container's for. Just some broccoli, some breaded fried chicken, and some plain rice. Delicious. Just soy sauce. Simple. Just healthy, amazing, cooked in butter. I really prefer cooking in butter. It's one of the things that suck about living outdoors. It's not really butter being a little too easy to melt most of the year. But let's go. Itadakimasu. I'm sitting here in my little cave. I'm gonna watch something. Here we are, guys. Out riding again. Going to the local supermarket. That's how fast I can go shopping. Look at that supermarket right over there. Pretty nice. Okay, see you guys in a bit. I'll do some shopping. I forgot to show you guys what I bought. But basically I bought what I need to make tacos and chicken durum and some more of that Béarnaise sauce with chicken nuggets and such, just so I have a few dishes ready. Also some organic rolled oats, because everyone here is all about organic, so I'm just gonna start buying organic. It's definitely more expensive, but hey, I guess it's better. Be the change you want to see, or be forced into becoming that change that others want to see. It's all good though. I'm going over to my friend to hang out now. I guess I'll see you guys in a few hours. I always try and be a good guest and bring some nice snack when I go over to hang out with my friend. Yesterday I brought muesli bars with banana flavor. Today it's gonna be the snüffler. And some Coke for me. I don't think he drinks Coke. See you in a bit, guys. Guys, my days are pretty chill. I am just back here after hanging out with my friend and cooking some dinner for him. We ate chicken durum. I'm just back here watching some of this war of duds or dots. It's great. I like it. a strategy game. It's just a browser game, but it can get a little tedious to play it at times. I like watching this dude play it. I'm gonna try out this booster I haven't tried before. A lemon flavored booster. Let's go.